Hello, this is Jack Thomas. I'm one of the founding directors of the Web Insurance Network, or the WIN Group. And today we're going to discuss how to create a group and the reason why it's important to have groups. So we're assuming that you've already logged into your Office Autopilot system and you want to click on your Autopilot tab right here, as we have done so. And by the way, if you're not yet a client of the Web Insurance Network or WIN Group, call my insurance office at 513-662-7000 and we will discuss how our drip systems in combination with our digital marketing websites are the most powerful and comprehensive and most affordable of all major competitors that you will find offering these types of systems. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So we're going to go ahead and create a group, and I'll explain also why we want to create groups. So you simply click on Create Group, and what we're going to do is we're going to call this specific group Cross-Sell Clients. So we're going to go ahead and paste that information in, and now the purpose of a group is simply to keep you better organized. You can segment your groups based on whether it's a prospect or a client. Now, in this instance, for this particular example, we are going to segment clients. So the group name is Cross-Sell Clients, and what we're going to do, we've already created a campaign for several campaigns for cross-selling, and so what we want to do is we want to come down to the group criteria. And what we're going to do is you want to have the name tag highlighted, and then what we're going to do is we're going to put a value. Now the value happens to be the name of the campaign that we've already pre-produced, and so you're going to input the name of the campaign. Now in this instance, we actually have multiple campaigns for cross-selling. So what you're going to do is you're going to come over here to where you see the "and" text, and you're going to click on it, and it's going to change it to "or." Now what's going to happen is this is going to allow you to go ahead and input additional campaigns. Now I'm going to show you what will happen if you don't do that, but let's go ahead and save this. We're going to hit save. Now you'll notice you have current groups all, and then you have cross-sell clients, cross-sell car insurance, have property. All right, so now this particular campaign is in this specific group. So let's go back to the all groups once more. Now let's go ahead and choose this campaign that we want to list. So I'm going to highlight that. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to go back to the specific cross-sell clients group. Then we're going to edit the group. And then you're going to want to go ahead and paste this information right here. And so when we do that, and then we click on the "or," that's going to add both of these campaigns to this specific group. So we'll hit the save button, and you'll notice that both of those are there. Now let me show you what will happen if you don't take this step. So click on edit, and instead of "or," let's change that back to "and." Now we're going to hit the save button. Whoops, and it didn't do it. Go back. Whoops. Sometimes what will happen is you'll get, if you don't click "or," it'll provide an error and will not embed the specific campaign to where you want it to be. So let's go back. Let's go back to the all campaigns, and so let's find I believe there's another cross-selling campaign here. So scripts, whoops, cross-sell car, cross-sell auto, and let's see here, and life insurance cross-sell. Okay, and so we're going to go ahead and highlight that one, copy, go back into cross-sell clients. We're going to click on edit group. Go ahead and paste that particular campaign. Hit the save button. And now you can flip back and forth. So you'll notice that all of those campaigns are in the all current group, or you can segment it by specific groups. So what that does is that helps to keep your drip system better organized. And so the same thing is true for date sequences. So you have step sequences, and then you have date sequences. And so the same is going to be true for both types of sequences in how you create groups and edit groups. And so that's how you set up groups. Now, if you have an interest and you're not yet a client of our Drip systems, please call us at 513-662-7000. Or if you have an interest in our digital marketing platforms that will incorporate or work with the Drip systems, call us. And this is Jack Thomas once again, and if you have any questions, call our office.